Mahavir the Brave. References: Holy Jain scriptures like Sri Uttar Puranji, etc. One day, Tirthankar child Prince Vardhaman was playing in the garden of Nandavar palace with his friends. Listening about his bravery and courage, a deity named Sangam came from the heaven to test his qualities in the form of a big, large snake like cobra. All the children started running here and there, but Vardhaman was not disturbed at all. Showing great courage, he started playing on the hood of the snake. Then Sangam Dev appeared in his real form and, appreciating the strength and patience of Vardhaman again and again, named him as Mahavir, means very brave. तीर्थंकर भगवान महावीर स्वामी की जय, जैन धर्म की जय, जय जिनेन्द्र।